Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN, link in the description below to stay safe online. Today we're comparing Boost Mobile and US Mobile, two MVNOs that offer budget-friendly phone plans so you know which one suits you best. Boost Mobile uses a mix of its own 5G network along with AT&T and T-Mobile for broad national coverage, around 80 to 99% of the US population. US Mobile is a true super carrier MVNO. You pick between Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T networks so you can optimize based on your area. Boost Mobile's unlimited plan starts at around $25 a month for 30 gig premium data before speeds slow, with options to add hotspot or bump data up in higher tiers. US Mobile offers highly flexible plans from $10 for light data to $25 for unlimited starter, 35 gigs and 10 gig hotspot, and $44 for unlimited premium, 100 gig premium plus 50 gig hotspot. Boost includes hotspot data on its upper tier plans and locks in price, but all plans may slow after hitting the cap. US Mobile gives truly premium data, no deprioritization until your allotment. Hotspot included, network switching available as well. US Mobile shines with extras, international perks, streaming music perks on family plans, and a 30-day free trial. Boost offers device financing, free global text, roaming in Canada and Mexico, and occasionally free or discounted phones, plus a guaranteed $25 a month price for life. I'd say choose Boost Mobile if you want straightforward unlimited plans with extra, nothing extra, just a fixed price. Device financing, roaming perks, especially if you often upgrade or need simplicity. And definitely choose US Mobile if you want customization, truly premium data, hotspot heavy use, network flexibility, and extras like streaming perks and trial periods. Thank you so much for watching.